This GreenPan PFAS-Free Egg Pan is a tiny titan in the kitchen. It measures a compact 5 inches in diameter. This little pan is perfect for cooking single eggs. It also works well for small portions. The non-stick surface is a dream. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You don't need a lot of oils when you cook. This is a big advantage for healthy cooking. The Stay Cool handle is a nice touch. It protects your hand from the heat. This GreenPan PFAS-Free Egg Pan is also dishwasher safe. That makes cleaning even easier. The functionality of this GreenPan PFAS-Free Egg Pan is impressive for its size. It's not just for eggs. You can use it for warming up sauces. It's also great for melting butter. Imagine making a perfect fried egg every time. This pan guides the heat evenly, so your eggs cook just right. While it's not big enough for a steak, its small size has benefits. It heats up quickly, and it stores easily. This little pan proves that good things come in small packages. Overall, the GreenPan PFAS-Free Egg Pan is a solid choice. It offers convenience and healthy cooking. The non-stick coating works well, and it's easy to clean. There's no worry about harmful chemicals. This pan is PFAS-free. The Stay Cool handle is a great safety feature. If you need a small pan for single servings, this is it. It's a reliable little helper in the kitchen, and it won't let you down. It's a great value for its functionality. Pros: PFAS-free, dishwasher safe, Stay Cool handle, small, 5-inch size, round shape, easy to clean, good for single eggs, quick heating, lightweight. Even heat cons: eggs can sometimes stick, non-stick may not last, very small cooking area, might not suit all. Stoves: handle could feel small, some find it too tiny, can't cook much at once, may scratch if misused. Durability is questioned, could be better quality features. GreenPan brand, mini size, healthy ceramic, non-stick surface 5-inch round, perfect for eggs. PFAS-free, dishwasher safe, Stay Cool handle, black color. This is a small, round, 5-inch egg pan from GreenPan. It has a healthy ceramic non-stick surface, so your food won't stick, and it's easy to clean in the dishwasher. The pan is black and made without harmful PFAS chemicals. It also has a handle that stays cool while you're cooking. This mini pan is just the right size for making eggs. This small, round, black GreenPan egg pan is good for cooking a single egg and is easy to clean because it's dishwasher safe and has a non-stick coating that doesn't use harmful chemicals. It heats up quickly and has a handle that stays cool. However, its very small size might not work for all stoves or if you want to cook more food at once. And some people have found that eggs can stick and the non-stick might not last for a long time. The small handle might also not feel comfortable for everyone. And there are questions about how long the pan will last.